Hey everyone, this is Mansa Priya here from Upcycle, and today we are going to do a decoupage tray. I'll show you how to resin proof it and make it heat resistant. So this beautiful tray and the decoupage papers are from Angutha Chap. They are an MDF manufacturing company. They also have do customizations. So for this I'm using Craft Treat chalk paints in the color I think it's olive green. No, it's some kind of green. And look at how creamy and beautiful the texture of these chalk paints are. They're just spreading like butter, and you can see how great coverage they give. So I'm just applying all over the surface and leaving the center behind. So once this is dry, I'm using a little decoupage glue. I'm using a lot of decoupage glue because these papers are around 150 to 200 GSM, so it would be easy to stick if it was lot of glue. Usually for decoupage we use very little glue because the paper gives those creases, but in this case the paper is pretty thick, so I'm using a lot of glue to attach my paper to the base. So I'm generously applying and spreading it evenly. Once this is done, I'm taking the paper carefully, and we are going ahead and sticking it to the base. You can see these papers are already cut into A4 size and they fit absolutely perfect into the trays they manufactured. These are A4 trays, so there is no hassle of cutting and folding things. You just need to place the paper and carefully stick the paper to the base. So it's all done. Just make sure everything is stuck properly. You can use a sponge dabber, or you can simply use clean hands or a plastic wrapper and just add everything together. Once this is completely dry, I am adding a thick layer of varnish. Again, please make sure everything is dried properly before you are applying the varnish. Otherwise the paper will try to bubble up or form those creases. So make sure all the decoupage glue is completely dry naturally, and then add the varnish on the top before we coat with the resin. So I've mixed the resin and hardener together in the given proportions, and I'm applying on top of this. So this resin just helps in making your tray usable. It is only for the utility sake, or even though this is all for decorative purposes because it's in MDF, just to make sure the surface is heat resistant and then you can use it more often. We are just adding some resin here. So I'm adding a little color. I'm using little green and pink here just to give it a little edging, like so. A little tinge of color over the borders just to add in some interest. So I'm adding a thin and even layer of resin and using a popsicle stick. I'm just spreading the resin and moving the tray here and there to adjust any blind spots. So if you find any bubbles, you can just go ahead and add heat. You can add the heat tool, or you can just blowtorch it so that the bubbles would pop out. For me in this case there are no bubbles, so I'm just leaving it there. Now I'll be using little gold foil. These are gold leaf from Montmartre. I'm just using little pieces here and there just to add more elegance to the whole project. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this quick tutorial on how you can decoupage a glue a tray and then make it utility safe using resin. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my post if you are liking what you're seeing. Thank you. Bye.